Hi Sky, Paul's here to finish up the trim work in our garage conversion project. Good decision, Sky. I wasn't gonna record anymore, but you know, if I don't do something, I'll feel like I gotta do some work in the garage. Some custom trim for the kitchen door. You're not gonna be able to tell. That ain't happening. Oh, that's right. I gotta take that off.
I hate safeties.
Yeah.
So I pin this back, so every time I pull the trigger, it just automatically fires.
Oh. Okay, back.
Watch. Did you see it move?
Yeah, I did, and it went through the floor.
No, it didn't. Maybe one foot. Almost looks like I didn't need to do that, huh? Here it fell.
Yeah, I know.
But,
You cut it too, you ripped it too short, narrow.
well, not here I didn't. For some reason up there, the walnut.
It has to do with the texture and the straightness of the wall.
Not sure, but I couldn't, when I tried it yesterday, I couldn't get it in.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's good everywhere else. Just,
Oh yeah,
you
hinges,
can't get
yeah.
it any closer.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It was a very tight location to build this bathroom.
Oh. Somebody put foam in this wall.
Well, so much for my sealing the door with this great stuff. Let me tell you, it's not great. It's scary. What a mess I made. I was able to cut the top off fairly quickly. Sure hope I can get it off the floor.